right. Welcome to your Young Junior High Virtual Library. My name is Ms. Higginbotham, and I want to give you a quick tour of your library. So we have these different me as an emoji at different locations in the library. When you click on me, they do different things. So this one's going to take you upstairs. And upstairs is where we have our digital resources. We have our ebooks and our research resources. So if you click on the computer there, you'll get a list of our ebooks, and then each of these icons will take you to a link to access our ebooks. And I'll put a tutorial on accessing those as well. Our research resources. So if you're looking for specific research resources, you can click here, and these will give you all of them. Most of them are going to be located in our Destiny Follett icon. All right, let's go back downstairs. Downstairs, you'll find me climbing this ladder here, and on this ladder, I'm going up the bookcase to show you some of our newest books and some ideas about what you might want to read. And then here, if you click on me, I will be reading a different book each week, or a different passage each week. So just something fun to look forward to. All right.